Over here, I have a lady with a dollar bill and a dark blue shirt. You want to try with this bird this time? You do? Oh, your friend wants to. We're just kidding. It's a joke. This green screen, and of course we need a stump bird. Help me welcome out Pepper, our blue and gold macaw. Amanda's gonna place Pepper up into a strong current of wind. Once in place, you can swap out the background for anything that you like. To see how all comes together, check out the center screen. And Olympus. Iris and Olympus are both Eurasian eagle owls. You would recognize them from the Harry Potter series. They were also in the television series Bones.
This is a good time when it's good to be around a guy in a wheelchair.
Nice.
She is magnificent.
How old is she?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Is she?
They can live somewhere like 60 years
Yeah.
in human care.
Look at the beautiful
Yeah.
eyes, the amber
One of
color.
the biggest species of owls.
Yeah, it's
and the
huge.
females are typically a lot bigger than the males. As
I thought it was a great horn when it came
similar.
out. Yeah.
Similar, but they're not as big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She looks so healthy. You
There's
know?
like 500 pounds of crushing out power
Yeah,
per square
amazing.
inch.
Yeah, it's just
She was
incredible.
in Harry Potter. Draco's owl. He has a Eurasian eagle owl.
Wow.
She's so beautiful. It's just incredible.
She's beautiful.